Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Valentine's is right around the corner and today we're going to make some adorable heart decorations to hang up for the season of love. We're going to decorate with some cascade lights and I'm going to show you how to create these beautiful 3D hearts that you can use to add a little extra romance to your space. I hope you enjoy this fun and easy craft idea. Don't forget to subscribe for more crafty tutorials. So grab your supplies and let's get crafting. Now fold your cardboard into a quarter section so we can get all three hearts to be the same size. The key here is to make your marks on the white side. So when you glue them together, you won't see any pencil or pen lines on the finished hearts. Just draw a heart shape on the folded edge. Once your heart is traced, it's time to cut it out. Once we folded the cardboard, you'll get 3 identical hearts once you unfold them. For the first one, I'll do it by hand and I'll just use the cutout as a guide so they're all the same size. Now here's a tip. Before you cut the heart fully, I like to cut out the small section so it's easier to handle. That way the rest of the cardboard doesn't get in the way as you're cutting and gluing. Once all 3 hearts are cut out, we're going to glue them together. When you glue the hearts together, make sure to leave the fold in the middle. It's actually a key part of creating the 3D effect. It helps the hearts stand up and give them that cute dimensional look once they're all glued together. I'm using silicone glue today, which is great for this kind of project. It dries clear and it holds things really well. Plus, it gives you a little extra time to adjust the heart if you need to before it sets. You can also use hot glue, but it dries fast and it can get messy. Regular craft glue works too, but it might not hold as strong for a 3D look. So silicone is my go-to for this project. Make sure to let them dry for about 20 to 30 minutes so they're nice and secure before we move on. Once the hearts are dried, go ahead and trim off any excess cardboard where the heart overlaps. This step just helps clean things up and give you a smooth, polished look. Using a needle and a thread, we're going to pass the thread through the top of the hearts to hang them. I'm making these in a few different sizes and colors so they create a cute cascade effect when they are hung. You can use your favorite colors and don't forget adding a little sparkle with some gold or silver thread can make them extra festive. Once the hearts are all strung together, you can hang them with your cascade lights for a beautiful Valentine's display. They'll add that perfect touch of love to any space, whether it's for your home, your office, or even as a part of a party setup. And that's it for today's DIY Valentine heart cascade. Thank you for crafting with me, and I'll see you next time. Happy Valentine's Day!